What is up, guys? Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you is how you can attack your friends in Monopoly Go. Now, the best way, or the only way rather, to attack your friends in Monopoly Go is by getting your figure on one of these train station spots. Once you actually get them on one of these fields, you will be taken to one of two mini games, either the bank heist minigame or the shutdown minigame. To actually attack your friends, both of them are valid, but the bank heist will only let you steal their money, and the shutdown event will let you use a wrecking ball to shut down their buildings and make them need to fix them before they can upgrade them further. So I'll just try and roll a few times and try and get on one of these fields. As you can see, I got on it and I got the shutdown event. Once you get into this, automatically one of your friends will appear from your friends list as your target. What you can do, however, if you don't want to attack your friends, you can go to switch opponent and actually pick either in the revenge tab. Here you will see who tried to attack you recently, or go to random player, and in the friends tab you can actually see all your friends from your friends list and choose who you can attack. As you can see, it tells you how many times people have targeted you, so I'll target this friend that's first on my list. And once I go to them, I can pick any one of his actual buildings and try and shut them down. For example, let's do it with the one on the bottom right, the sheriff station. I'll click on that, and as you can see, this person has a shield, so I didn't actually disable his building, but I did get the money. If you actually successfully disable that building, you will disable it, they will need to repair it, and you'll get more money out of it, guys. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was helpful for you guys. See ya.